Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious quinoa chickpea salad. First, let's prepare our quinoa. Take 1 cup of quinoa and rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water has been absorbed. Once cooked, fluff it with a fork. While your quinoa cools, let's get the other ingredients ready. Drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas very well. Next, dice 1 crisp cucumber, 1 colorful bell pepper, and about a half cup of red onion into small, even pieces. Finally, finely chop a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley and a 1/4 cup of fresh mint. These herbs will add a wonderful freshness to our salad. Now, let's create our vibrant dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together a 1/3 cup of good quality olive oil with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, plus a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk until well combined. Once the quinoa is cool, combine it with the rinsed chickpeas and all your diced vegetables in a large bowl. Finally, pour your freshly made dressing over the quinoa, chickpea, and vegetable mixture. Gently fold everything together until all ingredients are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's perfect for meal prep or a light lunch. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.